Greetings, my people. In my last video, some of you requested that I explain the role of men and women in pre-colonial Igboland. Well, in ancient Igbo society, men and women had distinct but complementary roles. Let's look at some of them. Role of the woman. As a girl, she assisted her parents, especially her mother, in cooking, fetching water and firewood, farming, and selling in the market. When she married, she cared for her husband and the household, cooking his meals, washing clothes, and managing the home generally. She gave birth and raised the children. She farmed. She farmed cocoyam, cassava, beans, vegetables, and many other things. She did petty trading and provided food for the family. Despite her hard work, she remained respectful and supportive of her husband. Role of the man. Men in those days were mainly young farmers, hunters, palm wine tappers, and traders. They supplied the family with yams, meat, palm wine, and sometimes clothing materials. They built houses and protected the household. Young men were also yam farmers. They participated in masquerading, which provided entertainment and enforced law and order in the community. They also defended the land during wars. Then and now, in pre-colonial times, roles were divided, but today things are changing. Men and women now have access to education and jobs. They both pursue career, earn money, and support the family together. So tradition shaped our past, but partnership shapes our future.